Hi, this is Kat and John from Living Like the Kings. We have some animal noises for you in English and in Russian, and we have some drawings. First one we're going to start with here is the frog, and the frog makes a sound.
Ribbit.
Qua, qua, qua.
Ribbit.
Qua, qua, qua. The next one we have is the dog, and the dog makes a sound.
Roof.
Guff, guff, guff.
Roof.
Guff, guff, guff. And now we have the pig, and the pig says
Oink.
Khrew, khrew, khrew.
Oink.
Khrew, khrew, khrew. And now we have the rooster.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Kookarikoo.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Kookarikoo. And the last one we have is the horse. And the horse says...
Neigh.
And when have you heard the horse say neigh? It says ee-go-go.
Neigh.
Ee-go-go.